Chicago!
About chaos, no one knows a sign. Everyone thinks the road is mine. The embel's flying, tires screaming pain.
Lights are crossing, thunder in the lane.
Mr. Sparman's rolling, laughing free.
Low Star!
In chaos, Strava, that's reality. Manic Picture! Space.
Chod do píči někde, kurva.
Ženská.
Aha.
Byla zasněná asi.
Open roads and midnight lights. Random towns and crazy nights. From highway chaos to forest gold. He lies for stories never told.
Hello.
Pavouk. Zdravý pavouk.
Ano, IT, zkoušeli jste to vypnout a zapnout?
Co jsou ještě ty pozůstatky bramborového salátu?
Capturing chaos on the way. Uploads clips with stupid names. Laughing hard at traffic games. Common screaming under the screen. Bro, that old guy drove insane. Did that scooter almost fly? He laughed so hard he starts to cry. Stressing off his fears. Sleeps inside his beat up van. Happy like a mountain man. He don't care about money or fame. He's just playing his own damn game.
Co to, kurva? To je kaka. Když si tu hubu, to je rozbitý. Čo blbá. Mohl spadnout. Ty vole, tomu proti směru něco vyjelo, tak nebo má.
Taková fajná krabička luxus, jak ty.
Ty vole, jak odlučuješ. To splnil sice, ale to tam zůstalo, že?
Ne, to není, tam je bílé.
Ještě...
Ten tmavý někde zmiznul, jako. A tam je nějaké bílé před námi.
Tak co ten bude předjíždět, nebo co?
Absurdní rychlost! Vzad!
Co je? Ty pičo, blondina, vole.
Small town breakfast, roadside view, engine humming, morning blues, detector pack, camera set. Another strange day he won't forget. Maybe someday he'll grow old, still out hunting buried gold, still recording traffic fights.
Šofer kamionu.